Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to troubleshoot common errors on PrizePicks. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Here are some common troubleshooting steps to help you resolve the issues and get back to playing smoothly. Number 1 is check your internet connection. Weak or unstable internet connection may be also the reason that you are having a problem. Reset your router or switch networks, or simply switch over to the stronger Wi-Fi. Now once you do that, if you are using it from your desktop, clear your browser's cache and cookies to ensure the website loads correctly and resolve loading and display issues. Number 3 is to update the app by simply heading over to the App Store, and on the search bar simply type in PrizePicks, and once it loads, what you need to do is tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix the issue. And the next step that you can do is head over to the settings app, and once you're inside the settings, tap on general. Inside general, tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside your iPhone storage, scroll down until you find the PrizePicks app and then simply tap on it. And once you tap on it, here inside you'll find two options, that is upload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app which might be causing the issues that you are facing. So once that's done, all you gotta do is try again and that will fix your issue. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.